CoinGecko is a popular platform for researching cryptocurrencies and tracking prices, but it does not directly facilitate cryptocurrency purchases. However, you can buy crypto by using the information from CoinGecko on exchanges or by following a few simple steps. Search for a cryptocurrency. Visit CoinGecko.com and use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you want to buy. Click on the coin to view its details, market data, and trading pairs. Choose a supported exchange. CoinGecko provides a list of exchanges where the selected cryptocurrency is traded. Select an exchange that suits your needs in terms of fees, security, and usability. Some popular exchanges are Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, and Bitfinex. Create an account. Sign up on the chosen cryptocurrency exchange. You may need to complete identity verification based on your location and exchange requirements. Deposit funds. Deposit funds into your exchange account using bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or other supported payment methods. Buy cryptocurrency. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading section. Use the trading pair to buy the desired cryptocurrency. Enter the amount and execute the trade. Store your crypto. After purchasing, transfer your cryptocurrency to a secure wallet for added security.